Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Now before I start this video, I just want to tell you guys some things. So this was filmed on a field trip my school was taking. So if my school finds out that I posted this, they're not gonna be that happy and they might make me take it down and might get detention, but it'll be worth it. Yeah. And also with my trains, I switched out the old Tyco. Cars, Tyco couplers to these Bachmann Easy couplers, so more easier to use. So yeah, let's get back to the video.
Yeah. What? GP something. That's a train. That was actually a locomotive. Thank you, David. Good, David. Good,
I finally saw my first locomotive.
Yeah, good, David. It's not moving, but something. Not a sleep. Yeah. Look at this train. It's not moving. See BNSF consists back there. Pretty nice. Wish I could drive over there actually. Back there. Vez, I told you I could say train space. There's no one right here. I am the train boy. I am train boy. We are not in Brownfield yet. I can tell you that. Uh-oh. I just clever. Look at the hopper. Where are trains? Guys, I see guys, there's a yellow and black locomotive over there, and that's a train. Look, come on. Wait a minute. Guys, look, there's a red end. Guys, look, there's a red end. Guys, look at this. Heritage unit. I think. I don't know what to call it.
Hey, Sebastian, what time is it?
I don't know. I'm looking at trains. Guys, look, heritage unit with a normal something. Where'd it go? Guys, look, right there. Guys, look, locomotive, look. Lubbock Western. Oh my God, with the Texas State Heritage Unit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. And this train just got here earlier today. It's already here earlier. I don't care. I don't care about the graffiti on the rail cars, alright? All I care is that I call a heritage, or I don't know what to call it. Just what? He found money! He's rich!
I'll give you $1 for $1.
Give you $1 for $1.
I'll give you all my things for all that money.
Look at that.
Wait, on the window, let me see it. Do any of y'all $1 bill says 2,000? Guys, on that piece of train is something else.
This place is dope. I want to stay here forever.
You want my dog? I mean, like, look my dog.
Look at this, guys.
This was $44.
Alright, I think this is the end. The end of an era.
Huh? It's like $80. I gave it to me.
Hopper. And Tinks. That's it. Guys, look, a train! I told you guys I could send a train in a 500-mile radius.
You said she trains 500 miles.
No, actually a few. Oh, another